The decline of manufacturing, the impact of losing industrial jobs in the St. Louis region. For many years, St. Louis was a major center for manufacturing. Factories made cars, shoes, steel, and many other products. Thousands of workers had steady jobs with good pay and benefits. These jobs helped families buy homes, send kids to school, and build strong communities. However, in the past few decades, manufacturing jobs have disappeared. Factories have closed, and workers have lost their jobs. This has changed the St. Louis region in many ways, leading to economic decline, high unemployment, and fewer opportunities for families. The rise of manufacturing in St. Louis. During the 1900s, St. Louis was a hub for industry. Companies like McDonnell Douglas, now Boeing, built airplanes, Anheuser-Busch brewed beer, and Chrysler made cars. Thousands of people worked in these industries. At its peak, manufacturing provided stable jobs for many people in the region. Workers didn't always need a college degree to get a good job. Instead, they could learn skills on the job and earn enough money to support a family. Factories also helped smaller businesses. When large companies made products, they needed supplies like metal, plastic, and packaging. Local businesses provided these materials, creating even more jobs. The city's economy was strong, and communities thrived. The decline of manufacturing. In the late 1900s and early 2000s, many manufacturing jobs started disappearing. There were several reasons for this. Outsourcing. Companies moved jobs to other countries where workers were paid less. It was cheaper for companies to build products overseas than to pay American workers. Automation. Machines and robots replaced human workers, making production faster, but reducing the need for employees. Factory closures. Some factories shut down completely due to competition from other businesses or financial struggles. Shift to a service economy. The U.S. economy changed. Instead of focusing on making products, more jobs became available in healthcare, technology, and retail. These changes hurt workers in St. Louis. People who worked in factories for years suddenly lost their jobs. Many struggled to find new work, especially those without college degrees. The loss of manufacturing jobs affected entire families and communities. The impact on St. Louis communities. When large factories shut down, it affected more than just the workers. The entire community suffered. High unemployment. Many workers were left without jobs. Some found lower-paying work, but others remained unemployed for years. Poverty and crime. As jobs disappeared, poverty increased. People had less money to spend, which hurt local businesses. Crime rates also went up in some areas as economic struggles grew worse. Population decline. Many people moved to other cities looking for work, leaving some neighborhoods abandoned. School and housing issues. With fewer jobs, families had less money for rent or house payments. Some schools lost funding as families moved away, making education harder for students left behind. Can St. Louis recover? While St. Louis has struggled with the loss of manufacturing jobs, there are efforts to rebuild the economy. Some of these include new industries. Technology, healthcare, and biotech companies are growing in St. Louis. These industries provide jobs, but many require college degrees or special training. Job training programs. Organizations offer training programs to help workers learn new skills and find jobs in different fields. Small business growth. More people are starting small businesses, which can help create local jobs. Investments in education. Schools and colleges are working to prepare students for jobs in modern industries. However, challenges remain. Many workers still struggle to find good-paying jobs. Some neighborhoods are still suffering from poverty and crime. St. Louis is working toward recovery, but it will take time and effort. The decline of manufacturing has changed St. Louis in many ways. Once a strong industrial city, the loss of factory jobs led to unemployment, poverty, and economic decline. While new industries are emerging, the region is still working to recover. Understanding the impact of job loss helps us see why cities must adapt to economic changes and find new ways to support workers and communities.